Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about Get Single Project API. Back to editor. Let's open Project Controller class. And to work with Get Single Project details, we need to work over this Get Single Project method. So while calling this method, we'll have two values. First, student ID from token, and second, project ID from URL. So by combining student ID and project ID first, we need to check that those values exist inside our projects table. If any project exists, it means we have that detail, otherwise no project found. So let's see in action. So first, student ID equals to auth helper function. I will call user method and ID value. So here let's make a combination, that is project model class. We'll use where method pass an array. Let's say ID. This ID is nothing, it's project ID which we can get from URL, and the other value we have called student ID from token. And then I will use exist method. So it will return true value if project exists on the basis of these two conditions. Otherwise, let's return response JSON status equals to false, message equals to no project found. Let's go inside if block. It means we have some data. So here project equals to project model. Project model, I will use where method pass two conditions like ID, student ID, and here I will use get method. Instead of calling get method, let's use first method, because on the basis of these two conditions like student ID and ID, we get only a single row. So to get a single row value, we have to use first method. So here let's return response JSON status equals to true, message project found, and here data equals to project. So successfully, this is all about the code of Get Single Project method. Let's open api.php. So needs to go inside routes folder, api.php. So to call Get Single Project method, we need to call single-project with project ID into URL. Developments have already started. Go back to Postman, and here we can see that login API called, and this is our token value. So this token value we can use inside our Get Single Project method. So let's copy the API URL, open a new tab, paste it here, and we need to call single-project. So I will copy this route, go here. Instead of calling login route, single-project, go inside headers. The first header will be accept application JSON. Next we'll have authorization. Let's copy the token value, go here, bearer space, and this is the token value. So I am passing the token value to our single project method. Let's click on send button, and here we have some error, that is the route api/single-project could not be found. And it is because while calling this route, we need to pass project ID into URL. So I will pass, let's say, 100 number ID, which does not exist. But before checking all about project existence, it will first check all about middleware. So let's click, means I'm not passing authorization, click on send button, so unauthenticated. Let's pass the token value, click on send button, no project found. Obviously, this ID does not exist inside our table. So let's see all about the login details. So I am using this email address. If I open students table, So this is the email address what we are using inside login API. So student ID equals to 3. So on the basis of 3 number ID, here we have two projects called ID1 and ID2. But if we pass ID number 3 means project ID equals to 3. Let's pass here project ID 3, click on send button, no project found. But if we pass, let's say, second number ID which exists with respect to this token value, click on send button and we can see that project found. So this is all about that how to get single project details on the basis of two conditions. First one is all about the token value and second on the basis of project ID. So successfully, by the help of this video, now we have completed one more API. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.